Hi, I'm Ryan Glover with Glover Nursery. I wanted to talk about maple trees. Probably our most popular shade tree we sell, and there's some great varieties that are going to do well all throughout Utah. This right here is Ruby Sunset. It's a nice little compact tree with a great red fall color. Come around here, we have Urban Sunset, which is a newer tree. Crimson Sunset, which is going to be a red leaf tree that's actually going to do well in your yard without the scorch like some of the other purple leaf maples that you can get. Popular varieties, Pacific Sunset and Norwegian Sunset. They do really well in our soils, but they don't scorch in the heat of the summer like some maple trees do. When you go to the parks and the big maple trees and the brown tips and the leaves you see in the summer, these trees don't have that. So that's a great choice for your yard.